Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create master detail item using latest version of Active Table Editor. So first of all, what is Active Table Editor? It is a utility which allows to edit data in lookup tables. Quite often, if you work in business intelligence team or accounting team, or any other IT-related team, you need to allow the user to edit the data in some database tables. This is what Active Table Editor was designed for. So here we have two items. One of them is called countries. So this is a list of countries. And now another one is a list of cities. And what we want to do, we want to link two of them together. So let's go to menu items. The easiest way to tackle it is just to clone it. So let's have countries. Just duplicate it. And we call it countries and cities. We change the icon to something more interesting, like cloud. Here it is. And we set item tag to master details. And the next step we need to do, we need to select detail item, which in our case cities. The master field would be country ID, and detail field is, just need to refresh it, country ID as well. So next step is to add it to the menu. It is already part of administrator menu, so we just need to add it. Okay, we have it. So that is countries and cities. And we also need to grant user access, so the user can see it. Okay, and what we can do now, we can show the menu. Just click the button, and we can see, actually we cannot see, to select it as well, countries. Yes. Yeah, okay, here it is. Just click on it and see if it works. So if we select USA, for example, see we can see USA city. So if you select UK, we can see London and so on, or Germany. And now we can go and edit it. Like this. Right, I hope that was easy to understand. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum. And as usual, we'll do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Bye.